Hi mateys, you might not be able to see me right at this moment, but today is July 3rd, 2022, and I am at Billy Stewarts' house, just around the corner from me. He is our local trash business, so I've known him since I lived here. Anyways, the Camp Lake fireworks are about to begin. In fact, I think they are right now. So enjoy them along with me. Hopefully the battery will last till the finale. We are on Billy's place is right here on a hill, so he's not right on the water. But he's got a beautiful view of the lake. There's a lot of boats out there with their lights on. And we are looking directly at the golf course where the fireworks are now going up. The other thing that might affect us is we have 23 minutes of recording time, so right now we're 1.5 minutes into this, so we've got basically 21 minutes left. But I can always hit replay, or not replay, but record again right away, and then we just have to do this in 2 parts. That's if the battery lasts. Definitely is a better vantage point than what I had last year, and there's a lot of kids here, young kids, so I don't expect there's going to be too much swearing and cussing, F-bomb words floating around. I definitely didn't like last year's because that was going on too much. You know, I don't mind if people, that's the way they talk, fine. I don't like to hear GD very often. And, you know, the other cuss words get a little old too. Not that I don't use them once in a while. Stupid hammer. Yes, I am. Thank you, Billy. Thank you for inviting me over here. I'm actually going to try to set down here at the corner of this picnic table and set the camera down so we don't have as much shaking. Wow, they've definitely got some big ones going. We're roughly a quarter mile from where they're setting these off. They're on fairway number 9 at the Moose Lodge Golf Course here at Camp Lake, Sparta, Michigan. Some of these are just amazing. Some of them are pretty loud. It sure echoes around the lake. It was much easier coming here. There's plenty of parking available. There's only about less than 30 people here. And pretty much they're all friends and family of Billy's. So I'm very honored to be included here.
Is that a GoPro?
Hello, son. No, it's not a GoPro. It's a Kodak 35. It's very old.
That's
But it does the job.
It's good.
Yeah, it's done over 750 videos
Well,
in the last 3 years. They all go on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
yeah.
I'll get you my stickers here before we leave tonight. I seriously doubt that's the end of it. I think that was a prelude to the finale. A few of us were complaining because we're old, I guess, but these didn't start until 11:15. But they were right on time. I can't remember how long they went last year. Whoa. Cool how those changed. those are for people who are closer to the ground. Those remind me of Christmas lights. Well, that one snuck in. There's another high one. Ooh, ah. Whoa, that one's way up. Almost to the top of the screen. So far our battery's holding out. We are at 12 minutes into it. 11 and a half minutes. I'm surprised the kids aren't squealing, or the adults. This upload tonight will probably take till morning. For some reason the uploads are rather slow. I think it's my bandwidth. That one reminded me of a Queen Anne's lace flower. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. That's a new one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
No, it's just you, me now. Behind. No, he's seated. You're seated.
That's maybe what I'll title this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Classy?
Yeah. So I never heard shoe added into the rock, paper, scissors game. What does shoe do?
The rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
Yeah.
That's paper. Because the rock, paper.
The rock will smash the scissors.
So, rock, paper, scissors. scissors, shoot. Oh, you shoot like
Oh, shoot.
you shoot your
Oh,
answer.
okay. I thought you said shoe like you wear on your feet.
No.
Well, thank you, because I think I'm going to title this tonight
What?
Rock, Paper, Scissors,
We
Shoot.
gotta go right now.
So shoot is when you do your signal, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. I think you're playing hide and seek now. He's hiding underneath the table where I'm sitting. It's amazing how some of the old games are still around. Not everybody is sitting in the living room playing video games. Tag, you're it is still a thing. The hide and seek is still a thing. And rock, paper, scissors, shoot is still a thing. I love it. There's quite a few here now. This could be, might be. Yeah! Are you okay? I got it.
Okay, man.
I was just about to tell him that you were jumping up and down like a little kid. Okay, mateys, the stars are coming back out, including Billy. Alright, I know you maybe not see me, but that's it for the 2022 July.
Wait for that grand finale, man.
Yeah. Yep, that's our Independence Day fireworks at Camp Lakes, Sparta, Michigan. In the meanwhile, fair winds and smiles, and of course, may God bless.